Sugar.
You're a big time surfer, you know.
I mean, a dabble here and there.
Have you ever seen a dog out on the waves?
I actually don't dabble. I've been on
She's
once.
taking they've both taken
picture,
pictures with a surfboard.
First of all, I got up there and it was about a half a foot wave. Okay.
Don't steal your thunder.
Listen, in Galveston, that might as well be like a 4-foot wave. So, by
I've been
Galveston
surfing.
standards, I did quite well. But Sugar has me beat.
5-time surfing world champion.
I know, what a sweet
Looks like
girl.
she's lived a long, lovely life.
Yes.
Good day for surfing in Galveston.
You know what? The waves are probably starting to get a little choppy. Good point.
Really?
I know. Maybe that's your little surfer's call over there. Yes, we're gearing up for some storms tomorrow, and that means the wind is going to start picking up the pace for this afternoon. That is really your only thing to watch today. Yes, there's a 20% chance up there. I just throw that in there because the moisture that's in the air could bring you a few sprinkles. But for the most part, the real rain, the stormy day, sets up for tomorrow. It's a 70% chance for not just rain, but some disruptive, loud thunderstorms that could bring along with them some really gusty wind. So that's why tomorrow's in red. It's a weather impact alert. Don't worry though, behind it, we're gonna clear up really nicely. All right, I'm showing you this future track model that gives us what's known as CAPE. It's convective available potential energy. So that's what we as meteorologists look at to see what our storm threat is for tomorrow. Today we're building on heat and humidity. That is what storms love to use up. And check this out. As we go into tomorrow afternoon, the storms are going to start to use all of that energy. So from about lunchtime all the way through 7, that's when we have our biggest threat to see these storms fire off. Yes, there's still even a threat for north of the I-10 corridor into about 9 o'clock in the evening. But for the most part, I want you to at least keep this time frame as a flexible one. So noon to 7 for now is when I'm expecting these storms to bring us the threat of gusty wind and even some tornadoes. So yes, keep up with the weather throughout the day by downloading our KHOU 11 Plus app. Here's your heads up. I'm about to show you that QR code so you could download it real quick and easy. Future track radar for today, cloud cover, a couple sprinkles, really nothing to write home about. Tomorrow, even in the early morning hours, I mean, this is 3:30. We're seeing some showers developing for Bryan, College Station to Brenham. The actual line, though, still a few hours away. So this is all pre-frontal shower activity. Some of these showers could slow down your morning commute, so that's a heads up to you. But then look at this line that passes through the I-10 corridor, the I-35 corridor, I should say, then starts racing towards southeast Texas, Huntsville, all the way down to Katy by 2:30, then pushing through downtown by about 3-4 o'clock in the afternoon, making its exit towards Liberty by 5. There is some leftover energy, like I said, that could linger into the evening hours, so 8-9 o'clock, but this would be for Huntsville, Livingston, and Cleveland. And then we quiet things down. All right, here's the QR code I was talking about. Point your phone at your screen. That way you can download the app. The benefit of doing this is when you head out the door, you can first of all have a quick check at radar, and then when the storms fire off, you can get an update as to what they're doing, whether they're strong or severe, and which areas are being impacted. The Storm Prediction Center has lowered the risk, so they dragged it down. Now we're under threat level 2. This was higher than yesterday for the threat of, again, wind and the possibility of some isolated tornadoes. Again, this includes a portion of northern Harris County, so tomorrow's a day to definitely watch, which is why it's in red. Weather impact alert, 70% chance for storms. Right now we are humid. As that front passes through here, look at the clash of these two air masses. There's your severe threat. But behind it, oh, we get some really nice dry air. We are going to be comfortable, so we get to enjoy that after tomorrow's weather impact alert day. If you're curious about today, well, it's just very similar to yesterday. 74 degrees, we are warm, and we will continue on that trend through the afternoon. Low 80s for a high temperature this afternoon, and then check this out, nice and cooler, lower humidity, lots of sunshine for Thursday, Friday. Junior Caruso is with us this morning. Junior, how are the roads?